Now, here are the equipments we need to complete the wireless video transmission. The two black ones are transceivers FDD5W. We start with the connection of the transmitter. Connect the corresponding antenna. 600 to 700 MHz antenna to the RF1 port, 645 to 660 MHz. 580 MHz antenna to the RF2 port, 550 to 600 MHz. Then open the cover of the configuration panel. And connect the power cable to DC1 to 5 port. That's IP camera. RJ4, 5 cable. One end of the RJ4, 5 cable is connected to the RJ4, 5 port. And the other end connected to the IP camera. This is a battery that supplies power to the camera. Connect it to the camera. Then connect the power cable to the battery to supply power. Turn on the power, supply power to device. Press the on button. Then the parameters appears on the panel. And the connection of transmitter is completed. Next is the connection of the receiving end. Connect the 500 to 600 MHz antenna to the sucker. Then connect to the RF1 port, 550 to 600 MHz. Connect the 630 to 670 MHz antenna to another sucker. Then connect to the RF2 port, 645 to 660 MHz. The two antennas should be separated by a certain distance. Connect the power cable to the DC1 to 5 port. Open the cover. Connect the power cable to the power supply device. Press the on button. The panel displays parameters. The green signal shows that the transmitter and receiver are connected smoothly. One end of the RJ45 cable is connected to the RJ45 port of the receiver. The other end is connected to the network port of the laptop. Turn on the laptop. Press Win plus R at the same time. Then enter to enter the command prompt. And then enter ping 192.168.1.195 to test whether the laptop is connected to the camera. Then enter. As shown in the video, laptop and camera is connected. Next, open the browser. Enter the camera's IP address 192.168.1.195. Enter. Enter the account name, admin. Password, admin. Then click Login. And the video will showing.